Hey guys, my name is Damien Black. Welcome back to my channel here on YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to create a WordPress website using Hostinger in just 10 minutes. Now, if you have decided to start an online business, that means you need a website. And the website is essential. Now, whether you're an affiliate marketer, a consultant, or you simply want to create a blog, you don't need any coding skills, technical skills, or any of that. I made this video super simple to follow, so I want you to watch this video till the very end, and I'm going to explain everything in detail step by step. So let's get started. Now, in order to create a WordPress website, we need to have web hosting and a domain. Web hosting is a place where our entire website is based on. So simply put it this way, you need web hosting in order to run a WordPress website. And also, there's a bunch of options on the internet, a bunch of different web hosting services and providers, but I want you to keep it simple. I recommend Hostinger.com. They have by far the cheapest pricing plans, by far the fastest and most uptime. So don't even compare any of these service providers. Just go with Hostinger.com. They're by far the best, and these are their web hosting plans. Now, if you're a complete beginner and you're just getting started with this entire business industry, with this entire online business industry, then I want you to simply go to single shared hosting. You're gonna get a website, 30 gigs of SSD storage, and you're gonna have a cap of 10,000 monthly visitors. You're also gonna get a free SSL. Now, an SSL certificate is basically this lock. This means your connection is gonna be secure. Your website is gonna be secure. You need this 100%. Now, if you're a bit more advanced, and you want to have more website, more blogs, more pages, then the premium shared hosting plan is the right choice for you. You also get a free email. So for example, my free business email is info@damienblack.com. You also get a free domain. Okay, I'm going to go with this one. So now on this website, this is the checkout website. You can now choose if you want to pay monthly, yearly, 2 years or 4 years. Now, obviously, I recommend the 12 months or the 48 months. This is by far the cheapest option, but keep it simple, go with 12 months. Now you can see here that your premium shared hosting 12 months plan is $123. SSL certificate is free, domain free, setup free. And now what I want you to do, guys, is enter Damien if you're going to check out on the premium shared hosting plan or the shared hosting plan, the cheapest one. Doesn't really matter. Use coupon code Damien. I'm going to pop it up on screen right now. It's going to give you a up to 91% discount. Now, once you have submitted my coupon code, once you have finished checking out, okay, you have submitted the payment, I'm going to take you inside the Hostinger back office. Now, if you went with the premium plan, you should see something like this: claim your free domain. So you can click on this little button and you can choose a domain name for yourself. So I like to keep it simple. I have my domain at damienblack.com. Make sure it's the .com because this is by far the most popular. And yeah, 1 year is completely free. So pick a domain name and click on claim domain. Now, premium shared hosting, we're going to set up a few things here, okay? And this is the Zero Website Builder. We can use this Zero Website Builder, or we can use WordPress. I'm going to show you the WordPress alternative in this video. So let's get setting up. So now click on set up premium shared hosting. Okay, start now. This is super simple. I'm creating a website for myself. It will be let's go with a business. And I am a professional website creator, experienced beginner. Myself, I am experiencing now for me, I am experienced in creating multiple websites. So let's go with this one. And now you're gonna have the option to use WordPress, WooCommerce, Joomla, or other. Now we're gonna keep it simple. We're gonna go to WordPress.com, select, and this is my email address. I'm going to click the password, okay, and click on continue. Now on this page, I'm going to have the option to pick a template, okay? So if I'm doing a webinar, if I'm a vlogger, tech setup, you know, if I'm reviewing a device, digital marketing, public speak, relationship coach. There's a bunch of other templates you can use completely free. Business coach and consulting. Let's see. Okay, so I am an affiliate marketer, so I'm gonna go with business coaching and consulting. So I'm gonna select, and now you're gonna have the option to enter your domain. Okay, so if you went with the cheapest plan, you're gonna have to buy a domain. So if you went with that plan, click on select and search the domain. Make sure it's .com. Purchase it. It's only like $10 per month, or I believe per year. Super cheap. Or if you already have an existing domain, you can select it right there. But I'm gonna claim a free domain. Now I'll be back in a second. I'm just gonna choose my domain. Okay, so I went with Damien Black Live. I'm gonna click on continue. And this is basic website information. So my domain is damienblacklive.com. Your chosen website location is, I'm gonna change this to Europe. Your admin email is info@damienblack.com. Your theme choice is business and consulting. Okay, finish setup. Okay, my country is, you wanna choose your country, personal. Next step, enter contact details. So you wanna fill this up. Once I'm done, I'm gonna continue. Okay, finish registration. DamienBlackLive.com is being registered. So now your website is ready. Now before we manage the WordPress website and get everything up and running, we're gonna install the SSL certificate I was talking about in the beginning of this video. So I'm gonna click on manage website. Now it should actually activate. I just bought the domain name right now, so it might take a few hours to upload. So I'm gonna click on set up, okay. And it should install. SSL will be automatically installed. It looks like your domain is still being activated. Exactly, this is just what I said. Don't worry, we will automatically install SSL once your domain is fully registered and pointing to our name servers. Okay, great. So once my domain is done setting up, you know, being activated, this SSL certificate then will be installed. Okay guys, so let's just check out if the website is live. So simply damienblacklive.com. I'm gonna refresh the page, helping you build your inner resilience. So awesome, the website is up and running. Now we can edit, you know, change up the text, the images, testimonials, and basically, you know, get this website how we want it to look. So let's do that right now. So we're gonna go back to the dashboard and click on edit website. So this is our WordPress back office. This is the place where we get to edit, you know, manage the actual website. So we can click up here, right click, open link in new tab. We can leave this open, so every time we make a change, we can come to this page, refresh it, and see how it looks. Okay, so now if you want to preview these home pages, okay, about services and whatnot, all you have to do is go to our WordPress dashboard, click on pages, all pages, and here are your about, contact, just like I showed you a second ago. So you can edit these individually. So if you want to, for example, edit the about, okay, all you have to do is go to pages, click on edit, okay, and now you can actually edit the text, the images. Wait for this to load. Okay, just skip this, and as you can see, you can now change up the text. So I'm Damien Black, okay. I'm not going to be doing too much in this video because it will be way too long, and we don't want that. So now this is the image. So if I wanted to put my image inside, I just click on it, click on replace, and upload media library. So I'm going to do that for you quickly so you guys can see. Okay, so I'm going to put it inside here. Okay, and that's it. Remove this, click on select, and there we go, guys. That's me with my beautiful girlfriend. So yeah, it's super easy. Now what you want to do now is click on update. Okay, and let's just see if it's okay. So this is the, let's go to the home page. Okay, I'm gonna click on refresh, about, and there we go. I've changed my name and the actual image. So it's super easy. Okay guys, so that's how you customize the individual pages inside WordPress. But if we want to actually customize the actual main website, okay, so this website, you're just gonna open it. Okay, click on customize up here, and here you can change the text, images of the main website. So now I'm going to go through some of these sections, these most important ones. So global, this is basically typography, the fonts of the page, the color, the height, the size. So you can play around with this. You can choose the ones you like. Now you have the colors. Okay, so let's just check this out. We can go with the theme color. Let's go with a lighter blue. Okay, so that's gonna update. Container, this means the actual entire website. You don't want to play around with this, just keep it as it is. And the buttons, you can change the presets, the color, the background color of this button. Okay, so as you can see here, now it's oval, rectangular. Just keep it as you want it. So that's the buttons. Now the header builder, that's basically this part. Okay, this is the header. So here you have the title, logo. You can change the logo. You can put an image of yourself. Now the primary menu, this is the primary menu. If you want to add something up here, then just go to pages and add another page, or you can edit the entire page just like I showed you a few minutes ago. So that's that. So these two are the most important. So just play around with the text, the colors, go to global. With the header builder, you want to change the logo up here. Okay, you can click on this little arrow also if you want. If you want to add pages, then go to your WordPress dashboard just like I showed you, and add another page if you want to. Now guys, these were the basics of building a website in WordPress using Hostinger. I hope you understood all the steps. Now you should have a website up and running, a domain name, and an SSL certificate installed. And now you can get editing, you can start customizing your entire page, you can start adding pages up in your header menu. You can change the background images however you like them. You can put a link to these buttons. It's super easy. But yeah, I hope you understood this tutorial, and you'll see more WordPress and Hostinger tutorials in the future. In the next video, guys, I'm going to show you how to build a landing page for your affiliate marketing business or CPA marketing business in WordPress. Now, this is super cheap. Anybody can do it. So guys, if you're interested in that, make sure to subscribe, leave a like button, and I'll see you in the next one.